Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Send money to the wrong person using the NedBank app? Don't panic. I will show you how to request a reversal in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First of all, open the NedBank app and log in. Then go to your transaction history and find the payment you want to reverse. Tap on the transaction to view its details. Since the app doesn't have a direct reversal feature, then contact NetBank's customer support immediately. Call 0860 555 and provide details like the transaction date, amount, and recipient. Act quickly to increase your chances of reversing the transaction. For more tips, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.